Before watching the video, subscribe the channel and then click on the bell icon to get all the update videos.
Hello dear students, welcome to English Hospital 24 channel. I hope all of you are very fine. Today I am fine too, and in this epidemic disease we must pray to God for each and everyone. Because in this epidemic disease, God can save us. Only God can save us. Nobody has no power to save us from this epidemic disease. That's why we need to be safe and we need to stay home and only pray to God for our personal safety and for all the people's safety. In this disease, you need to be prepared for your future life if you are alive. If God may bless us our future life, if God may help us to live in this world, we need to be prepared for our future life. That's why you need to study regularly and continuously for your every type of examination, board examination and job examination. Today I am going to teach you about some idioms which came in BCS examination in previous questions. That's why I would like to show you how the questions may come in the examination, in any type of examination, and I will show you how to make sentence with those idioms for your speaking and for your free handwriting also. At the same time, you gonna learn several lessons at a time. That's why this lesson is going to be very much important, very much essential for you. Before going to enjoy this lesson, you need to subscribe this channel at first and keep the bell button on so that you can get the notification at first any update lesson of this channel. Let's see what I'm gonna teach you today. This is idioms and how to make the sentence using these idioms. First one is few and far between. Few and far between. The meaning of few and far between is very rare or rarely. Which incident is not common in our daily life, that incident is called rare incident. That's why few and far between is used in the time or at the time of irregular incident. If I make a sentence, I visited or I visit Cox's Bazar few and far between. I visit Cox's Bazar few and far between. That means I don't go to visit Cox's Bazar regularly. My visit in Cox's Bazar is very irregular, is very uncommon. That's why in the time of irregular incident we use few and far between. And in the BCS question, in MCQ question, the questioner can ask you to find out the meaning of few and far between from the alternatives. Then question number 2, bad blood. Bad blood means bad relation between two persons or between two countries, between two nations. That is called enmity. Enmity. The relation between India and Pakistan. Pakistan is bad blood. The relation between Pakistan and India is not so good. That's why this relation is called bad blood. Bad blood means inimical relation or enmity. Then number 3, Achilles heel. Achilles heel means the weak point of any person or any country or anything. Weak point. We should hide. We should hide our Achilles heel Achilles heel to our enemy. We should not expose our weak point to our enemies. That's why we need to hide our weak point or our any personal faults or any personal weakness to our enemy. This is called weak point. Then number 4, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon is same as few and far between, which is not common incident, which is very rare. That is called rarely or very rare. Once in a blue moon, my friend came to me once in a blue moon. My friend didn't visit me regularly. That's why I can say my friend came to me or my friend visited me once in a blue moon, very rarely. Then number 5, on behalf of. On behalf of, if I work at the place of any other persons, if I acted on any other person or any other guy, then we can say act as or act on or act for. On behalf of. On behalf of means I am working another works or another person's works. I am working, I am doing, I am helping another person's. Then on behalf of our president. Our president show respect to the martyrs. To the martyrs on behalf of the nation. On behalf of the nation, our president show respect or show due respect to our freedom fighters on behalf of our nation. He is acting our works. He is showing respect which we need to show. Then we can say on behalf of a bed of roses, a life of joy or life of happiness. Our life is not always a bed of roses because there is well and woo. Well and woo is another idioms which means sad and happiness, sadness and happiness. Well and woo. Our life is not a bed of roses. Our life is not totally or completely a full of happiness because there is well and woo. There is happiness and sadness. Then number 7, out and out, thoroughly or completely. He is weak. Out and out. That means he is completely weak. He is completely sick. He is weak, out and out. Capital punishment, death sentence or death penalty, which has been declared as death. Which guilty person or which person will be killed, will make in death sentence. Capital punishment means death sentence, which person will not be alive in this earth anymore. Death, capital punishment, death sentence. The thief or killer was given capital punishment. Capital punishment. The thief or the killer, the snatcher was given capital punishment. Out of the words, free from difficulties, free from any kind of problem. Out of the words, Now I am out of the words because I have money. Now I have money, so I am out of any kind of problems, any kind of difficulties. Then we can say I am out of the words. To take the bull by the horns. If we can bravely face any kind of situation, then we can use to take the bull by the horns. Face any problem. This is called to take the bull by the horns. He is confident and can take the bull by the horns. He is confident. He can do anything because he has confidence, self-confidence. He is confident and can take the bull by the horns. So we can say that, or we can make sentence by using these idioms, and in any type of examination of MCQ test you will have to, or you will asked to find out the meaning of these idioms from the alternatives. This question is very easy if you can memorize the meaning of these or those idioms by yourself, or you can write down these idioms with meaning, with sentence in your note paper or in your note khata. And these idioms will help you to get common in your future examination, because those questions which have come in BCS examination will be common, will be regular question in any other examination of job or any kind of examination. So this will help you also in improving your free handwriting and spoken or spoken standards. That's why I would like to invite you to memorize these idioms with meaning, with English meaning and Bangla meaning. I hope that this lesson will be very much important, very much beneficial for you, and you will be benefited by this lesson. And this is the aim of my YouTube channel. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe this channel and share the link of this YouTube channel in your Facebook timeline or in your any other groups, WhatsApp or Imo or Messenger groups. So I think that you are always connected with this channel. I wish you all the best. I hope you all the best. I would like to thank you all who have subscribed this channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.